Hi guys, Sunny here, Gandhiji.io, GIN, and welcome everybody. So today I'd like to give you a quick update on the Supreme Court case that's happening regarding cryptocurrency and the RBI blanket ban ultimately of cryptocurrency at the moment in India. I'm not sure if you've seen the news the past few days, but there has been some developments within this case that's going on in India, and as always, there's two sides to every story. So I've picked out a few articles here, guys, that I'm just going to read a couple of lines from to see if we can get a bit up to date with what's really going on and see if we can piece a few things together. So, will RBI's crypto ban stand? Supreme Court of India orders for clear crypto regulations. Bitcoin prices may be down, but there is some wonderful development in India. Like China, cryptocurrency trading is illegal in the country, thanks in part to the heavy-handedness of Reserve Bank of India. But things are about to change. It's been reported that the Indian government has been given 4 weeks to draft a clear cryptocurrency regulations by the Supreme Court before the court make rulings on pending crypto-related cases. If not, sources reveal the court will make their independent ruling and perhaps reverse the cryptocurrency ban imposed by the RBI. Now, I mean, firstly, guys, we should note here, this is a really great point to make at this point as well, that the trading of cryptocurrency is not illegal in India. But as per this article and the impression of many people in India at the moment, because of this unclear guidance given by the RBI or even the government or the country at the time, a lot of people are misinformed about the legality of cryptocurrency. Even this particular article says here that this cryptocurrency trading is illegal in India, which is not the case. There is a blanket ban by the RBI for trading. I'll go through here with you guys. However, in the past, the RBI admitted that they had instituted the ban without due diligence. Even so, and despite engagement with crypto exchanges and other businesses, the bank did not budge on their stand. After July 25th, 2018, all banks ceased from supporting fiat deposits and withdrawals, forcing exchanges to issue warning statements. Now, this is something that happened back in July last year, 2018, and since then the whole country, one major exchange left the country, and the rest of the exchanges have really stepped up and really gone about peer-to-peer transactions, instigating lots of technology to help solve the problem for the public of sending, receiving, buying, selling cryptocurrency. So as it stands right now, it is not illegal to buy or sell cryptocurrency in India. The only restriction are the ones posed by the Reserve Bank that are currently being scrutinised by the Supreme Court. I'm going to send a quick shout out to Crypto Qanun here, one of the most accurate YouTubers that gives information on legal matters within the cryptocurrency space. But I have learned that this particular gentleman happens to always do great research before he mentions anything, which is key in the crypto space. He's very clear, very concise. I enjoy watching all of his videos. Crypto Qanun, sir, Jai Hind. So yeah, definitely subscribe to Crypto Qanun if you get a chance, guys. One of my favorite Indian YouTubers for this kind of advice. You'll see a lot of this coming out. We've got Cointelegraph picking this up yesterday. Supreme Court of India puts 4-week deadline on release of crypto regulation by the government. You can see here they've made a nice chart by the 29th of March. They're saying here that we should be at the 30-day deadline, for which we should receive some kind of counsel from the Supreme Court of India with regards to the future of cryptocurrency within the immediate future of cryptocurrency within the country. Released in early April 2018, the RBI's crypto circular prohibits banks from provisioning services to any person or business that deals with cryptocurrency. The circular was subsequently critically assessed by the High Court of Delhi, which claimed that the RBI's decision and to end dealings with crypto businesses violates the Constitution, while the Supreme Court apparently continued to support the RBI ban even after hearing a number of petitions. While the RBI has been negative to cryptocurrency adoption, the central bank confirmed its plans to consider the creation of its own Indian rupee INR-backed central bank digital currency, which they call a CBDC, in August 2018 last year, but subsequently paused its plans to release the CBDC in January 2019. It's a little bit hypocritical, guys, as you can see here, that on one hand, the RBI is standing, the Reserve Bank of India is standing to have a blanket ban on cryptocurrency. Mixed signals from the Central Bank of India, who are considering launching their own central cryptocurrency. So again, you can see this is, I mean, you can understand why there were a lot of confused people. A country of 1.5 billion people confused about cryptocurrency. In 4 weeks' time, we will be one step closer to getting some clearer guidance for these, billion or so people that could enter the cryptocurrency space and have profound effects on the global market. 1.5 billion people coming into cryptocurrency, ultimately having some kind of guidance from their country that this, is something that is going to be around in the future and is going to be accepted, I believe could be massive for cryptocurrency. Time is running out for the Indian government and the Reserve Bank of India to ignore wholesale ban cryptocurrency, according to local publication called INC 42. The court's given a deadline of 4 weeks. The court chose not to hear arguments in either case today. Instead, it issued a final warning to the government and Reserve Bank of India they must come to some sort of conclusion about crypto regulations soon. They only have 4 weeks to develop a set of regulations, or the court will rule on the cases in regards to the constitutional rights of cryptonauts in India. Bruh. Indian crypto startup WarrisX, Nishil Shettyji, told INC 42 that he is happy with the decision. I'm very proud of Nishil Shettyji. Well done, sir, for all of your efforts towards the Indian crypto community, and I am very happy with this decision at the moment too. It's if nothing else, it's demonstration that the country is taking this matter very seriously. There was a lot of support. Indians want blockchain and crypto. Again, going back to Nishil Shettyji starting the hashtag India Wants Crypto, which I'm in full support of, alongside Swatch Crypto. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. CCN previously did an interview with an Indian native who happens to run an exchange outside of India. He spoke of bringing adoption to India when the time is right, which depends heavily on the government's disposition. This is, again, factual, true, great information, something that we should be looking at. And, I've always been keeping an eye on this to see where things are going. It's the reason that, we should be looking at this cryptocurrency space for the country and seeing how it can benefit our country, the people of our country, the government of our country, the banks of our country, the financial stability and future of our country. If there is technology out there, then we should be exploring it, not cutting everybody off from it. Again here, look, on the 5th of April 2018, the RBI had issued a statement stating that it will not deal with or provide any service to the entities dealing with any cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin. Regulated entities which already provide such services shall exit the relationship within the course of the next 3 months, it stated. So this was a firm statement from the RBI that, in my opinion, completely disregards the constitutional rights of every single Indian in the country. As my way of protest, I created a dApp called Gandhiji.io. Gandhiji is coming back to India to stand up against the RBI ban and stop this injustice. This one cryptocurrency project, in the way that it is built, cannot be stopped by any government, any legal entity. The technology is built upon the Ethereum blockchain without this website, without any app, without any other third-party blockable website. You can access the Gandhiji smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain directly and fully interact with this project. If India decide not to hurry up and solve their issues regarding cryptocurrency, I do not believe that to be a valid enough reason to hold our country back. For people that want to hold cryptocurrency, people that want to experience cryptocurrency through the next bull run, should be and are given the opportunity to with this Gandhiji smart contract app project. You can see from here, I created this smart contract on the 10th of April 2018, 5 days after the RBI statement. Within 5 days of the RBI making a statement to completely ban cryptocurrency from the country, my first reaction was to build and create something to protect the people that want to be a part of the cryptocurrency revolution. This particular dApp has been here, Gandhiji.io, for 321 days, supporting the Indian community, supporting the crypto community, and helping people learn about cryptocurrency technology, earn Ethereum in dividends, and be a part of this revolution. We will not stop. The Gandhiji smart contract, this dApp, cannot be moved out of India, cannot be stopped. There is no way of stopping this particular technology. Like ZebPay was forced by government regulation, by the RBI's statement. And ZebPay was the biggest exchange in India, forced to pack up and move shop, leave all the Indians stranded, leave the people stranded. ZebPay's gone to Europe to seek fresher ground. I'm proud to be an Indian. I won't leave my people behind. This is why I created the Gandhiji smart contract. It will be here for every Indian for years and years to come. Not just every Indian, but every person across the world has access and use of the Gandhiji smart contract. It was designed and made at a time of desperation for the country of India, when our bank system and our governments are banning and blocking people from becoming a part of cryptocurrency, from being a part of cryptocurrency, and from having any part of cryptocurrency. Guys, I'm just going to leave you on this note. I'd like you all to go and subscribe to the Gandhiji YouTube channel. By subscribing to this particular channel, in the future we will be generating dividend earnings directly from YouTube, directly from AdSense, that will be paying direct dividends to everybody in the Gandhiji smart contract. It's a revolutionary feature. No other dApp has ever seen anything like this, guys. Just take the time to click the subscribe and bell icon, and just know this is the very first YouTube video made on the Gandhiji project 10 months ago, back in April. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, guys.